In this video, I will show you how to use Vivint camera without service. Check local storage. Some Vivint cameras have local storage options, such as an SD card. If your camera supports this, you might be able to access recorded footage directly from the card. Consult your camera's manual for details on how to access and manage local storage. If the camera is connected to your home network and has local storage, you might be able to access live video feeds through the Vivint app, even without a service plan. However, features like cloud storage, notifications, and remote access may be unavailable. Explore the camera's built-in features that do not require a service plan. For instance, some cameras can operate as standalone devices with basic functionality. If the camera integrates with other smart home systems, like Google Home or Amazon Alexa, you might be able to use it for basic functions or routines, although full functionality will be limited without Vivint's service. If you've recently canceled your service plan and the camera isn't working, try resetting the camera to factory settings and reconfiguring it. This may restore some basic functionalities, but full features will likely still be restricted. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.